There's nothing quite as iconic in the world of food as a perfectly cooked beef steak. Juicy, tender, and bursting with flavor, steaks have become a universal symbol of indulgence and satisfaction. But behind every mouth-watering bite lies a story of craftsmanship, skill, and nature's bounty. Today, we'll take you on a journey to discover where the world's most prized cuts, like ribeye, filet, and sirloin, come from, how they're meticulously processed in factories, and their unique characteristics. The journey of every steak begins on the farm, where cattle are raised with care. Once they reach maturity, these animals are transported to state-of-the-art processing facilities. Here, advanced technology meets human expertise to ensure the meat is handled with precision, safety, and respect. The first step in the factory is the initial breakdown of the carcass into primal cuts. Primal cuts are large sections of the animal, such as the rib, loin, chuck, and round. These sections serve as the foundation for all of the steaks. Once the animal is cleaned and inspected, it is split in half, with each side further divided into primal cuts. This process requires a combination of heavy machinery and skilled butchers. Bandsaws are used to make precise cuts along natural seams in the meat. While trained workers ensure the integrity of each section. Primal cuts like the rib and loin are carefully separated to preserve the quality of the meat. These cuts are then transferred to specialized stations where secondary processing begins. The secondary processing stage is where primal cuts are transformed into the individual steaks we see at the butcher or on our plates. For example, the rib primal is sectioned into ribeye steaks, while the short loin yields strip loins and T-bones. Modern factories rely on a mix of automation and craftsmanship. High-precision slicers ensure that each steak is cut to the exact thickness required, whether it's a 1-inch ribeye or a 2-inch porterhouse. Skilled workers handle delicate cuts like filet steaks, removing excess fat and connective tissue to enhance tenderness and presentation. Quality control is a critical part of the process. Every steak is inspected for consistency, marbling, and texture. Advanced sensors and cameras measure the weight and thickness of each piece, ensuring they meet the specifications for retail or restaurant supply. Once the steaks pass inspection, they are vacuum sealed or packed in modified atmosphere packaging to lock in freshness. These protective measures help maintain the flavor and quality of the meat during transport and storage. From the primal cuts come all the steaks we enjoy. The rib primal gives us ribeye steaks, known for their rich marbling and buttery texture. The short loin yields the tender fillet and the robust strip loin, while the sirloin section offers a perfect balance of flavor and tenderness. Other sections, like the flank and skirt, produce steaks prized for their bold flavor, while the rump provides a leaner option for those seeking a healthier alternative. Each cut has its own unique characteristics, influenced by the muscle's location and function on the cow. Modern beef processing facilities prioritize sustainability and waste reduction. Trimmings from steak production are often repurposed for ground beef, while bones and fat are used in rendering to create tallow and other byproducts. Advanced waste management systems ensure that no part of the animal goes unused, reflecting a commitment to efficiency and environmental stewardship. After processing, the steaks are distributed to supermarkets, butcher shops, and restaurants around the world. Refrigerated transport keeps the meat fresh, ensuring that every steak reaches your plate in perfect condition. Whether you're enjoying a tender ribeye, a luxurious fillet, or a bold skirt steak, the journey of each cut is a testament to the skill and dedication of farmers, butchers, and processors who bring it to life. Steaks are more than just a meal. They're a celebration of tradition, craftsmanship, and the connection between people and their food. The next time you savor a perfectly cooked steak, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken to reach your plate. From farm to factory and from butcher to table, every bite is a story worth telling.